Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer customer records from Zoho CRM to HubSpot. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the Contacts module in the left-hand sidebar. From the Contacts page, select the records you wish to export. Click the More button, usually represented by 3 dots. Choose the Export option from the drop-down menu. Select the format for your export, preferably CSV for compatibility. Click Export to download the selected records to your computer. Next, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Contacts section from the main dashboard. Click on the Import button, typically located at the top right. Choose File from Computer as your import method. Select the CSV file you downloaded from Zoho CRM. Follow the prompts to ensure your data maps correctly to HubSpot properties. Review the mapping of each field to confirm correctness. Once satisfied, click Next to begin the import process. Wait for HubSpot to process and complete the import. Once done, you will receive a notification about the successful import. Check the Contacts section to verify that all records have been transferred accurately. If you encounter any issues, review the error report provided by HubSpot. You might need to make adjustments in your CSV file and re-import if necessary. Finally, conduct a quick review to ensure all data appears as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.